Hello and welcome to Beldeur. Today we are installing the Dualcam video doorbell. You can use this doorbell wirelessly and wired. Are you watching?
Make sure that during the installation your Bluetooth and location services are turned on. This is no longer necessary after the installation during the use of the doorbell. The installation is complete and the doorbell is ready for mounting.
We will now show you how to use the doorbell wired with our adapter or connect it to your own bell transformer.